Yeah. Yes, hello, good morning guys. Good morning everyone and good morning Lord. Thank you so much. I have 3 days from Tasmania to Sydney. Helmed by Captain Joss. Good morning Captain. And Jack, Angel, and Tom.
Morning.
Yeah, thank you so much. Very close, like 10 miles to finish. See the beautiful Sydney, and later I take a video crossing to the bridge of Harbour Bridge. That's right.
Sydney Harbour Bridge.
Yeah, Sydney Harbour Bridge. You see the weather is so very strong wind, very lot of white caps, and it's honor to me to sailing with Captain Joss and to other handsome guy, you know, and Honey Penny, champion 2022 in Sydney to Hobart. Yep. Nice boat. You see the instrument, 11 knots the boat speed, and the breeze of wind is like 25 knots. It's very windy. Yan mga idol, mahangin. Grabe, ito yung buhay namin idol. Yan o. Yeah, my friend, if you watching my YouTube channel, you can put some subscribe or like. You can put some comment also. Yan mga idol. Grabe. Malapit na kami. Tignan nyo yung mga ano ng dagat. Hangin mga idol. Talaga naman. Buti na lang tinamaan kami ng maaga rito. Dito lang kami sa ano, lapit sa Sydney. Three-day sailing. Mga idol, grabe talaga oh. Yan. Nagtong buhay namin pag magde-deliver ng yate. Lampas ng mga alon. Ano kami kabilis? Bumuti. Grabe, ganda ng hangin, downwind.